Hello guys, you are watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi Jain, and guys, this video it's really special because from so long this series was going on that about interview and interview questions and so on. So today I'm finally here with a German series for Indian companies. So I hope guys you will be loving it, and if you need any help then you have my Skype ID. If you have my Gmail ID, you have my number, you can just contact me and I am there to help you anytime. And guys, if you don't know, then I'm having my personal blogging channel, that is It's Nidhi here. You can just go and subscribe it and follow to watch my personal blogging channels and the real talks. So guys, first of all, let me tell you, in this video I will be sharing you the resume pattern. You can definitely change it, and another thing very important, I am not an expert. I am just sharing you my own tips which I have used and I think that is just perfect. So you can take your own decision and you can just go through it. So guys, just go and watch it, and if you have any query then comment down below. And guys, I'm coming live on Saturday, so stay tuned and you can ask me question by hashtag AskNidhi in comment section or my Instagram ID, that is GermanGyans1. So definitely I'm looking for your questions, and stay tuned. And now let's go. Guys, in the starting you have to write respected sir or ma'am, because you are not knowing that who is actually watching your this mail, ma'am or sir. Then you have to write the subject. In subject is very important. In subject you have to write that for which position or the department vacancy is there, that you have to mention. Then greeting for the day is a compulsion word, and that really looks amazing. After that you have to mention your name, full-time course of whatever course you have done, BBA, MBA, and your college name. Then you have to write you have completed your graduation or post graduation. Then you have to write that for which department. This will be same for as a subject. After that you have to mention that you are looking for the team. See, if you join this, then what will be the punishment you will be getting, so that you have to mention here. And this is a total format. And now let's go to the next page. So guys, here you have to mention the same lines which are mentioned here. I will be highly obliged, and the same, and sincerely. After sincerely you have to mention your name, then your mobile number, then your email number, the professional one, and after that you have to mention your permanent address. Do remember, you don't have to mention your rent apartment number. You can mention your permanent number like for example, if your parents are having permanent number, that you can definitely mention, but not at all your rent apartment address. Guys, this is your main resume, in which you have to write your name and objective, and then you have to write your personal details, your father name, date of birth, and address. And do remember, it should be very simple and sober so that it looks so attractive. Now you have to write your status, that you are basically single, married, and your nationality, you are Indian or you are from another country, and your permanent contact number. Otherwise, after that you have to mention your education qualification, that from 10th, from in which year and from where you have did, and 10 plus 2, which means 12th, so from where you have did. And another thing you have to write, if you have done graduation, from which college and in which field, and same with the post graduation, in which field if you have done and in which college. After this you have to mention your experience in whatever companies you are having experience, and in the particular which field or which department. After that you have to write language known, Hindi, English, German, whatever. And if any foreign language is there, then of course enhancement is there in your salary. Another thing, the last line is the same and you can easily copy it. It looks really great. This is how the whole CV looks, and if you need, you can take a screenshot. And if you want any help in making your CV or anything, then you can just email me on my email address, that is GermanGyan04. So guys, this was it for you, and thank you so much for this video. And guys, if you haven't watched all the interview questions video, then link will be in the bio. Just go and watch it so that you can know all the questions that can be asked to you in the interview session, and stay tuned. And right now 50% discount is going on in German language online courses, so you can just DM me or comment down below for any enrollment or anything. And very important, on Saturday I'm coming live on my YouTube channel, so you can ask me question by hashtag AskNidhi in the comment section on my Instagram. So definitely you can do that. Till then, stay happy, stay safe, and keep learning German with German Gang.